What's up guys, it's RacerYo back with another video, and today's the day we're going to be unboxing a Kingdom Hearts item. What Kingdom Hearts item could it be? Well, this sweet little Japanese import I got from this amazing store. This is the second time that I order from them, the second time that it has been in fragile, handle with care. So this import came from Japanese. Came from Japan, and I'm not really sure where to open it. I want to say here, perhaps, might be the best option. Alright. What is it, right? Well, Kingdom Hearts had announced a couple of statues that weren't going to be available in the US, which I think everything should be available in the US. Like, we want it too, you know? Can I get a hell yeah in the comments? So yeah, I mean, we want it too. We want to, you know, have the fruits of the Kingdom Hearts labor. And, yeah, thankfully I found this site. And I had always seen it, but god damn, how do you open this? Like, where is the... Okay, well, it's because I get scared to kind of open it right here, because... Yeah, we're just gonna... Alright. Here it is, guys. It's Roxas and Lea. There's the back of the box, sides. Alright. As you can see, I'm super eager to open it. And look, how cute is that? It's a little carrying case. Alright, so let's go ahead and take it out, set it up. Let's see here. Oh, you clever people. Putting tape where nobody would see it. Alright, like I said, I don't want to mess up the box. See, and there's tape even right here. So this is definitely secured. There we go, guys. It is the moment we've been waiting for. That's what it looks like. Alright. So here's the instructions, which we won't be able to really read because it's in Japanese. But nonetheless, it has pictures. And just like any communication in the world, we can understand via pictures. So... I don't want to mess up the box. And yes, I'm one of those psychos that doesn't want to mess up the damn box. Alright. It is in the packaging. Alright, guys. So I'm just going to make a couple of incisions here on the side where there's tape. So let's get it out. There we go. We got the first piece off. Oh god. Alright, so here's the base. This one's similar to Sora and Mickey's base. So no big difference there. But first let's take out Lea. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm gonna take the plastic off of his arm. Got it memorized. Look at that detail, guys. I'm gonna put him a little bit closer. Look at that detail, guys. How awesome is that? Alright, so let's see which position he goes in. I mean, he's got to have the... See, these two are kind of like farther apart. So I'm assuming that he perhaps goes right here. Alright, and then Roxas go on the other side. And look at that beautiful, beautiful face. Yes, guys. He's got the hole for the Keyblade. Alright. And he goes in the back. Now there's another one like this that I haven't gotten yet. I say yet because I am going to get it. Of Roxas and Sora. Since I already have Sora and Mickey, I was like, I need something like Roxas. And here's the Keyblade, which, if you are a Kingdom Hearts fan,
you know what, I'm gonna take Roxas off.
Oh, okay, so here we go, guys. This piece, the handle portion comes off so that you can stick his hand, like you would put his hand right here and then you would just insert the Keyblade. So let me do that really quick. Alright, there he is with the Keyblade. Chain, it's actual like metal material, and then this is plastic. This is all plastic. It's not like ceramic or anything like that. So if you're hoping for ceramic, we're not there yet. Alright, so here it is, guys. And I'll try to get out of the frame there. How beautiful is this? Wow. So there it is, guys. This one I picked up from that store. I don't see. Let me see here. Let me see if I have something that'll show like the link. Oh, here we go. It always comes with like a flyer. So this is the store that I picked it up from. Very, very trustworthy. Super, super expedient. So if you're a Kingdom Hearts fan, you'll definitely want to check them out. Because they do have everything that you would definitely want in a Kingdom Hearts collection, especially if you're a Kingdom Hearts collectible. So there it is, guys. Super awesome piece to add to my collection. I'll be showing when I get Sora and Roxas, so stay tuned for that one. If you guys are a Kingdom Hearts fan, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, show me some love. I definitely appreciate it. But other than that, guys, it's been Racer Yayo, and I'm out.